Hello, scholars. Welcome to our next writing lesson. Remember, this week we are spending some time with grammar, and we're going to work today with singular nouns and plural nouns, as well as a little review of the noun work we did yesterday. If you don't yet have a marker board or marker with you, or a piece of paper and a pencil, press pause for a moment, go grab those things. All right, let's continue. Let's start out with a little review of yesterday's diagramming work. So, first, diagram each of these sentences. Write small enough so that you can fit all four of them on your board. Then we'll check them. Press pause for a moment while you work. All right, ready to check? Here's a look at those four sentences diagrammed. Grandma coughed. People eat. Horses galloped. Pete read. Remember, scholars, the subject noun is on the left side of the diagram, and the action verb is on the right side of the diagram. And we have that line, which yesterday we called a fence, in between the noun family's house and the verb family's house. That's important to remember for future lessons. The second part of this said, let's change each noun so it's singular or plural. Sorry, let's check each noun to see if it's singular or plural. So, first sentence, grandma. Singular or plural? Right, singular. What would it be if it was plural? Ah, yes, grandmas. Number two, people eat. The noun people. Singular or plural? Right, plural. What would be the singular of people? Did you say person? Good work. Number three, horses galloped. Is the noun horses singular or plural? Yes, it is plural. What would be the singular of horses? Excellent. Horse is correct. And the last one, Pete read. What is Pete singular or plural? Right, singular. Pete is one person. Good work, scholars. Let's keep going. So, not only are nouns singular or plural, they're also either going to be common or proper nouns. A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. It is a general noun. A common noun is only capitalized at the start of a sentence. Here are two examples: child and continent. Right? There are 7 continents, so continent is just a general noun. Child could be any child, it's a general child. Right? Can you think of 4 more nouns? Before you do that, I thought of 4 more to share: airplane, taco, bathtub, elephant. Those are all common nouns. They name general things. Share your 4 common nouns with someone right now. Press pause while you do that. Great. Who did you share your 4 common nouns with? Let's continue. So, if common nouns name a general person, place, thing, or idea, a proper noun names a particular person, place, thing, or idea. It is a specific noun. A proper noun is always capitalized, no matter where they are in a sentence. Here are 2 examples. Jill. Africa. Africa names a specific continent. Jill names a specific person. Can you think of four more proper nouns? But before you do that, I thought of four more to share with you. Here are the four more I thought of: Minneapolis, Owen, Atlantic Ocean, Monday. Let's take a quick look at how they are specific. Minneapolis is a specific city. Owen is a specific person. Atlantic Ocean is a specific ocean. Monday is a specific day of the week. Now, you take a moment. Think of four proper nouns of your own. Press pause while you share them with someone. All right. Did you share your four proper nouns? I sure hope so. Let's keep going. So, take a moment and write these three headings at the top of your marker board or on your paper. While you're doing that, please remember it is important to remember that nouns are always common or proper and singular or plural. So every noun is either a common noun or a proper noun, and every noun is either singular or plural. All right. If you did not yet write those down, press pause for a moment to get those all written down. Next, I'd like you to write these words down your noun column: horse, Paris, classrooms, teeth, Taco Bell, virtues. Take a moment to write those down your noun column. Then, scholars, what I'm going to ask you to do is look at each of these words, each of these nouns, and decide: horse, is it common or proper? And then horse, is it singular or plural? So following across from horse, right in the next column, you'd write common or proper. If you want to shorten it and write a C for common and a P for proper, you could do that. Then move to this column and write S for singular or P for plural. Oh my goodness. So let's do this first one together. Horse. Would you write common or proper in this blank? Right, common. Horse is a common noun. There are many horses. Then singular or plural. Is horse one or two or more? Right, horse is singular. Now, scholars, press pause and try that with the rest of these. Then we'll check your work. Ready to check? Here's the key. So, Paris is a proper noun. It names a specific city. It is also singular. Classrooms is common and plural, because it names more than one classroom. Teeth, common and plural. Do you know what the singular of teeth is? Right, tooth. And that's the tooth. Taco Bell is proper. It names a specific restaurant, and it is singular. Virtues, common, and it's plural. And more than one virtue is virtues. Nicely done. Let's review. Erase your board and number it to 5. Or if you're working on paper, maybe flip it over and number to 5. Let's see if you can fill in the blank to answer these 5 questions. I would say just write what goes in the blank. Don't write the whole sentence. Number 1, a noun names a blank, 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 or blank. Press pause if you need more time. Number 2, a general noun is called a blank noun. So a general noun. Number 3, a specific noun is called a blank noun. So a noun that names a specific noun. Number 4, a noun that names one is a blank noun. If there's just one, what kind of noun is it? And number 5, a noun that names two or more is a blank noun. So it names two or more. All right, ready to check? If you're still working on any of these, press pause for a moment because we're about to do the answers. Here they come. Are you ready? A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Number 2, a general noun is called a common noun. Number 3, a specific noun is called a proper noun. Number 4, a noun that names one is a singular noun. And number 5, a noun that names two or more is a plural noun. How'd you do? Great. Let's keep going. Find the 3 nouns in this sentence. Let's see what you found. Did you find butterflies, fingers, and flower? Now, scholars, the next thing we're going to do with that same sentence, I'd like you to change those 3 nouns to different nouns, all of your own. Let me give you an example. The pretty blue elephants fluttered past my noodles and landed on the sink. So, scholars, I changed butterflies to elephants. And, oops, sorry, fingers to noodles and flour to sink. So, With my change, it made a pretty silly sentence. The pretty blue elephants fluttered past my noodles and landed on the sink. Wow, blue elephants fluttering. That'd be quite a sight. So, scholars, go ahead. Think of your own three nouns to put in place of that, and then share your sentence with someone. Here's that original sentence again. Marvelous. If you want to, you could even type your sentence with your three new nouns into the comments and send it to your teacher. Now, for today's assignment. Answer the questions on the Google form that's in the post. When you are finished, remember to click the Submit button at the bottom of the Google form. Thanks for joining me for another grammar lesson today for writing, and I'll see you again soon.